Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a GATE question from 2009 and it is based on residue theorem. So we need to calculate this function f of z given the line overall curve integral for this function 1 plus f of z by z dz. So we know this as per the residue theorem. The residue f of a is given by 1 minus n minus 1 factorial dn minus 1 dz n minus 1 of z minus a to the power of n into f of z and then z tends to a. This is for nth order pole at z equal to a. So what they are asking is 1 plus f of z by z dz. So let's see what is this first. 1 plus f of z by z. This will be 1 plus, so this f of z is c2 plus c1 by z and divided by z. So this is nothing but overall z times of 1 plus c2 plus some constant c1 divided by z square. And I think they haven't mentioned, but it is going to be a unit circle for the region. The region will be unit circle. So in that case we can clearly see that unit circle of radius obviously radius 1, it will have this origin as the center, and this function is having poles at z equal to 0 of order 2. This is a second order pole at z equal to 0. So in that way, if we have to calculate this integral, we can say that this is going to be integration. Let's say it is integration of g of z for c dz. This will be 2 pi I, and since there is only one residue, I am writing it residue at z equal to 0 in this case. Obviously it is a repeated pole at z equal to 0. So residue at z equal to 0, simply z equal to 0 can be written here. 0 is going to be, now that n is equal to 2 in this case, because it is a second order pole at this origin, so the expression is going to be 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 by n minus 1 factorial d n minus 1. So what is this n minus 1? This is 1. So first derivative of the function z minus a, so a is equal to 0, so we can directly write z. So this is z square into the function which is 1 plus, this is c2, right? 1 plus c2 into z plus c1 divided by z square for z tends to 0. So this z square and this z square gets cancelled, and the first derivative of this function is going to be this 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial becomes 1 factorial, so this is 1 simply. The first derivative of this numerator, now this is constant, this is 1 plus c2 times of z, so this is first order, so it will be simply 1 plus C2 and nothing left with Z tends to 0. So there is no parameter of Z. So this is directly going to be 1 plus C2, right? It is a constant. For the constant case, we can directly write it to be 1 plus C2. So this integral we were looking for will become I is equal to 2 pi I times of the residue. This is the residue. So 2 pi I times of 1 plus C2. I hope these options are given like that. Okay. They have given in the terms of C0 and all. So this is basically C0 is C2 in this case, right? Some overwritten options. So just consider C0 to be C2 and you will get this option D. So this is option D.